Alright everyone, today's video comes to us from the channel Question Authority. Be sure to go subscribe to his channel and let him know we sent you over. In this video we have a person getting pulled over for speeding, and he doesn't believe that he was speeding. So could it be that this cop was trying to lie and get this driver to produce a confession? Let's watch the video and check it out.
Really? Why are you over here? What's up? I got my camera over here. What's up? Season, what's going on? I don't feel comfortable opening my window with the what's going on? Huh? I'm not running. I was. I pulled over when he. What are you talking about? Hunter, don't start your accusations with me, asshole. Don't start your accusations with me. I'm not the one, dude. Yeah, bullshit. Yeah, you clocked me at 100. You know what you didn't clock me at? I saw where you were at. I saw where you were parked at. You didn't clock me at no 100 miles an hour, dude. I was doing like, huh? Oh, bull. Reach in my wallet. And I can tell you this. No one ran from you, because if I would have ran from you, I would have kept going. I didn't know you were. I saw you on the side of the road. I saw you up by that place. Obviously, I'm recording you. My insurance is on my phone, so you're just gonna have to just accept that I have insurance. 100 miles an hour. What? You have nothing, dude. F off. You. Be a piece of shit some other time, you asshole.
The educational tidbit to take away from this video is that you should never admit to speeding. It's the officer's job to prove that you were speeding. Sometimes an officer will throw out a high speed to get you to make a confession. For example, say you're driving on a road with the speed limit of 65 miles per hour and a cop pulls you over and says you're going 95, and you tell him, "No, I wasn't, I was going 75. You just admitted to speeding. Congratulations." Cops are allowed to lie in hopes of getting you to produce a confession. They will continue to do this, so the best way to handle a lying cop that pulls you over is to record your interaction, deny his false accusations made against you, and don't say anything to incriminate yourself. Take it to court and make the officer prove beyond reasonable doubt that you committed the infraction. He needs radar or dash cam documented proof that you were in fact speeding, and if he can't provide that proof, your case will be dismissed, just like the driver in this video. Again, be sure to go subscribe to Question Authority and let him know we sent you over. Thank you for watching Good Cop, Bad Cop.